Data validation. Microsoft Excel provides a data validation tool to ensure that the entered data follow some predefined standards. For example, suppose you are creating a result card of students and you know that no subject has marks more than 100. This means that you can set a rule that Excel should not accept students' marks more than 100 for any given subject. This can be done using data validation in Excel. If anyone violates rule while entering data, Excel shows an error alert. You can customize this error alert. You can instruct Excel to give an input message when a user selects the cell. Create validation rules. Select a range. Click the Data tab. Click the Data Validation button. Settings. Click the Settings tab. Click the Allow List arrow and then select a value type. Setting criteria. Click the Data List box and then select a logical operator. Enter values or use Collapse button to select a range for the minimum and maximum criteria. Click OK. Entering input message. Click the Input Message tab and then type a title and the input message that should be displayed when invalid entries are made. Click OK. Input message. Type a title. Input message. OK. Entering error alert message. Click the Error Alert tab and then select an alert style, type a title and an error message. Click OK. Error alert. Alert style, type a title, error message, OK. Circling invalid data. Circle invalid data. View invalid data by clicking the Data Validation button arrow and then click Circle Invalid Data. Clear validation circles. Click the Data Validation button arrow and then click Clear Validation Circles.